Alright, so you've just purchased your Clix wipers. Now it's time to put them on your car. First things first, let's get these old wipers off. This is a hook arm. A lot of the times the arm stands right up. If it does that, pick it right up off the car. You're going to turn the wiper up to a T, and a lot of the times there's a button underneath on the adapter. You're going to want to press down on that and just push down on the arm to bring it to a T and slide it right off. So now that the wiper is off the car, let's put on your Clix wipers. First things first, let's make sure to remove the protective covering off the wiping element. Alright. Next, we'll install the adapter to the wiper blade. We'll want to make sure that the spoiler part and the scoop here is facing down and away from the vehicle towards the direction you're driving. This will create some downforce and help performance during operation. Alright, so we grab the adapter. There'll be a little arrow in the U channel. Just snap it right on there. Alright, from there, we're going to take there's two little buttons on the top of the adapter. Press down on those and flip the hood forward. Okay. Now we are going to just slide the arm in. The hook's right on. Close the hood. Press it down gently. Clix wipers are ready to go. Alright, so you've just purchased your Clix wipers. Now it's time to put them on your car. First things first, we have to take the old ones off. We're looking at a top button windshield wiper arm here. They're real easy to take off. Lift the wiper arm up, push down on the button as far as you can. Grab the secure from the bottom, slide it forward. Might take a little jiggle, but it should come off pretty easy. And make sure to lay the arm down nice and gently on the windshield. We don't want to see any cracks on that windshield. So now we have your old windshield wipers off. It's time to put your Clix windshield wipers on. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the protective covering on the wiping element. We graphite coat all of our windshield wipers. It helps reduce friction and it improves wiping quality. Then we're going to take our adapter, we're going to put it on the wiper. So when you look at the wiper, it has a spoiler, right? So you're going to see the spoiler and it comes up this way. That's going to be the part we want facing down and towards the direction you're driving. Then we'll put the adapter on, facing that way. Okay, there we go. Snap the adapter on. This is our L adapter. It fits two different sizes of the top button wiper arms, and we do this by removing these tabs on the side, which will make it more narrow. Just flip them open, twist them, snap them off. Okay, that was simple. Now we basically do it in reverse. Okay, so we pick up the arm gently, slide the adapter into the arm. You may have to press up a little bit, right, to get that button pushed up against the arm to slide in. So we're going to give it a little pressure forward, slide it back, bam, right on. Now your Clix wipers are on. Alright, you just purchased your Clix windshield wipers. I'm going to show you how to put them on a pinch tab wiper arm. First we're going to do is raise the windshield wiper. So we call it pinch tab for the reason. On the back of the wiper arm there should be two tabs that if you pinch them together in the back and push the bottom of the blade forward, it should detach. Okay? You see this little tooth here? It usually is hooked underneath something in the front. Right? So you see when you put it on, it hooks on and clicks in. So then we do it in reverse to take it off. Pinch the two tabs, grab the bottom of the wiper, slide it forward, and now it's off. Now we're ready to put on our Clix windshield wiper. So our Clix wiper is ready to be installed. First thing we're going to do is remove this protective blue covering from the wiping elements. That just slides right off. Okay? Now we have our C-clip. Alright, so we're going to install the C-clip right onto the wiper. We want to make sure that the wiper is facing the correct direction, and you'll see it's designed with this spoiler and this scoop on the front to create some downforce during operation. Let's make sure that the curve is facing forward towards the way you're driving. Alright? Now we're going to put the wiper onto the arm. There's two buttons in the front. We're going to squeeze them together and push forward on the hood to release the hood. So it slides on pretty simple. There's a little tooth in the back here, and it's going to kind of line up and hook right underneath this in the wiper arm here. So just get it into place, press down on it, and you'll see that everything lines up real nice. Once it's all lined up, close the hood, and you'll feel that everything is secure and ready for operation.